Please stand by for this emergency broadcast. Please stand by for this emergency broadcast. This is an emergency broadcast. There is a current threat to all children in the London area, although this is expected to start affecting other areas of the country within the next 30 minutes. Videos have been uploaded on social media, including a strange version of the Lavender Town theme from the Pokemon games. This has been seen to be affecting children between the ages of 4 to 12 years old. Social media companies have tried to take down this audio, however this has been unsuccessful at this time. In response to this, a statement by the government has been issued to the country. Do not listen to the Lavender Town theme, keep watch of children in your home in case they get exposed to this audio. At this time, any Pokemon game with Lavender Town has been taken off all digital stores at this time. More updates will be broadcast once available. Please stand by for this emergency broadcast. Please stand by for this emergency broadcast. Emergency update: symptoms of the now named Lavender Town syndrome have been released. Sudden increase of aggression, sudden depressive thoughts, bleeding ears. If your child shows any of these symptoms, take them to the nearest hospital as soon as possible. It is confirmed that the symptoms wear off after a 30 minutes to 2-hour time period. Reports of Lavender Town syndrome have been confirmed throughout the whole United Kingdom. The UK have been in contact with other nations to see if they have reported any cases, although nothing has been confirmed yet. It is also suspected that people putting up these videos are part of one group. This is currently being investigated and more news will be delivered shortly.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Diego Emergency Medical Service. A confirmed report of Lavender Town syndrome has appeared in San Diego. A child, aged 8, has been diagnosed and is currently in hospital recovering. At this time, the following instructions to combat Lavender Town syndrome have been issued. Do not listen to the Lavender Town song. Monitor children to prevent them from listening to the song. As a reminder, Lavender Town syndrome affects children between the ages of 4 to 12 years old. The video uploader who have been posting the Lavender Town videos have been making them from an unknown location. The United Kingdom have been unable to find the people who have been doing this, which may mean they are from a different country. If you have any information, report it to your nearest police station.
We apologize for the interruption to your broadcast. Please stand by for an emergency message. We apologize for the interruption to your broadcast. Please stand by for an emergency message. This is an emergency broadcast. Information of an incident at the Rundle Mall fountain has been received. Reports of multiple speakers playing the same audio from Lavender Town syndrome. All parents or guardians are demanded to take their children home to avoid potentially suffering from Lavender Town syndrome. If your child shows signs of Lavender Town syndrome, then you should take them to the nearest hospital immediately. The people behind this have had their IP found due to it being leaked by a computer virus. The police are on their way to arrest them at this time. The mall will be closed for a temporary period while law enforcement destroy these speakers to get rid of Lavender Town Syndrome. More information will be broadcast once available.